Hi everyone, this is Liz from Creative Life of Liz, and I am here to share my kits for November 2023. What I plan to do, there are 5 weeks that are predominantly in November of this year, so got 5 things to go through. So starting at the beginning, we have October 30th through November 5. This does have Halloween in it, so I decided to go with this kit from Roxy James. It's called Fall/Halloween, and I thought that it would be really good for this week because there's these few that are like very Halloween-y kinds of setups, and then there's some that are very fall for the boxes. So I thought it would be really good to use for this kind of transition week, and I'm excited to use this one. I also like the pop of blue just to kind of like make it a little more interesting for fall and get the colors a little different. For the next couple weeks, it's November 6th through 12th. I'm going to use this kit from CDB Planner Prints. It's called Hello Autumn. I realize it's not the start of autumn, but I think it's going to have a lot of those initial autumn feels for the month. So I thought this kit would be really fun to use, and it's nice to use a photo kit to kind of mix in with some of the other kind of more arty kits. And this one also has lots of headers, which is super helpful for when I want to put in a lot of header kind of stuff into things. I'm then going to do something a little unusual. So the third week is November 13th through 19th, and then the fourth week is November 20th through the 26th. During this time, that second week, it's going to be Thanksgiving here in the US. So I'm going to use this kit called Season of Gratitude from Chasing Shells, and I'm actually going to use it for both the weeks. So for this kit, it is an 8-page kit, and then I have a few extras. So I was helping her test out using Cricut for cutting. So I printed off some extra stuff as well. So I have the main full boxes, then the page with the extra girls, and then a deco and functional page with a few more boxes. And then this is like a bunch of boxes and then headers. And then I printed that set again, so I have it twice. And then this one's more kinds of boxes, bottom washi, date covers, another full box, and then some more boxes. And then this is like a tall skinny box, plus some more kind of functional box things and a bunch of icons. So I think with how many boxes there are, since there's 8 here, plus another 8 here, 9, 10, and then this one again, but we'll say it's 9, 10, 11, and then this really tall box. So that's 12 by itself. And then I have those couple extra printed. So I think with all of that plus the deco, I'm going to have enough to do 2 weeks with this kit. So that's my plan, to try to be a little creative with that. And then for the last week, it's November 27th through December 3rd. So that's the start of the holiday season for me. For sure, I love holiday kits and love holiday season. So this kit is from Pretty Planner Printables. It's called Christmas Cookies. I thought it would be perfect for that transition kind of time, since it's not super Christmas specific. It's more like winter cozy vibes. So I thought it would be really good for the transition week. So gonna use this kit for that one. So that's all I have for right now, is these 4 kits to cover 5 weeks. But let me know down below what kits you are planning to use for November, or what kits you're excited to see me use, or if you have any other kits or shops you're really excited about that I would love to hear about. Also, like and subscribe below if you haven't already. I will have the playlist to the Plan With Me's that will eventually be up for all of these as well. And then also you can just leave some sort of fall emoji to say hi if you prefer. And then follow me on Instagram at Creative Life of Liz. You can see in progress and finished spreads of what's going on in my planners, my other planners, bits and pieces of my life, what I'm reading, all that good stuff. And until next time, bye.